videotaping you.
Yeah.
Say it, Chris. Say it. We're in the desert.
We're in Arizona in the desert and it's fucking snowing. Feels like we're in the East Coast.
There's a cactus full of snow.
Throw yourself in your
Oh, yes. You throw yourself.
I want to, but then I don't.
You're going to get all wet.
Yeah.
Shut up. Doesn't know what to zoom on. It's like, it's all like. Here. Should I do it?
Yeah.
Ready? Set.
Hold on, wait.
Gonna be all what?
Unfortunately, tapped out has stopped. What does that mean?
Oh no, that's nothing. That's a
Okay.
big game. Ready? Snow angel.
Fucking weirdo.
How does it look? Help me up.
Looks pretty badass. Looks like one, right?
Yay! Snow angel in Arizona. I'll take a picture of it.
Hold on, let me stop it. Or
Lay down, right?
You get to take a picture while you're doing it, huh?
I don't know. Can you?
I just did, like twice.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
While you're watching the video?
Yeah.
Oh, but while I'm laying down?
Oh no, I didn't do that. Do it again. Do it more. Make it more.
Help me.
Is it cold or what?
Yes! You still videotaping?
Yeah,
Take pictures at the same time.
I know. Did it get in your in the?
Everywhere, look at it, it's like soaking. There's a view back in here.
I know.
There was a bunny.
Where?
So when we rewatch it, I can take pictures of those?
Yeah.
I was not covered in it, but
I know, but it's
how
still.
badass it looks all up in there.
A cactus. Saguaro cactus, right?
Yeah, that's a saguaro. Full of snowing.
The cactus is probably like.
Thank God I'm not at work. I'm happy. I would be shitting my pants. Like, damn it, I want to go outside and play.
This is pretty fucking badass. Here, I want to take pictures with my phone now, damn it. I want to take pictures with my phone.
Oh, okay.
Oh, still recording.
Oh, that's alright.